Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about the making words, and I have told you in before chapters also how words are made. When many letters come together, it forms what? It forms word. Correct? Yesterday I gave you example of and I gave you example of cake, and many words which comes together they form what? They form words. And that is what we studied in yesterday's lesson. Yesterday's our topic was of English grammar. Today we are going to start again back, or we are going to take some portion of our textbook. We are going to take some portion of what? Our textbook. So name of our new poem is I Love Little Pussy. Now before we start with the poem, I want to ask you some questions. Before we start with the poem, or before I recite the poem, I want to ask you some questions. Do you have pet animals at home? If you have, then say yes. Yes, I have pet animals. If you have pet animals at home, now it can be cat or it can be dog. Right? You have pet animals which you keep them or which you allow them to come and stay with you. You be with them, you eat food with them sometimes, you stay with them, correct or not? So these pet animals are like a part of our family, right? They are like a part of our family. Means what? They are like a family member. They eat with us, they stay with us in the house, they eat whatever food we eat, they eat same food. So they become what? They become part of our family. And I want to ask you one question. You go and buy some pet animals, right? There are some German shepherds, correct? Dogs are there, there are some cats. You have all types of pet animals at home, but what you do, you bring them, and once you bring them, you keep them in your house. But tell me one thing, do you take care of those animals? This question is very much important. This question is the most important question which I am asking you. When you bring pet animals at home, or if your father brings pet animal at home, if your mother brings pet animal at home, do you take care of the animals? If you take care of animals, then really you are good natured, or you have good manners. And if you don't take care of pet animals, then just imagine what is your role as a family member. Do one thing, please take care of pet animals. Evening when you eat food, correct or not? In evening it's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, you eat food. Once you eat food, at least think once that there is a pet animal at home, and I should give chapati to a dog or chapati to a cat. These are very moral values you should learn, correct? And in same way, today we are going to talk about a cat. You have studied Pussycat, correct or not? You have studied that action song of what? Pussycat, how do you do something is there, correct or not? In same way, today we are going to talk about a little pussy, and there is a boy or there is a girl who takes lot of care of the pussy, and that we are going to study in this poem. Okay, here it is. Now I will just recite poem for you. I want to recite poem for you. You just pay attention. The name of our poem is I Love Little Pussy, and we are studying unit 1. In unit 1 our lesson number is 1.6. Here the poem. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail, nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy, very much. Now there is a girl, and what that girl is saying? That girl is saying that I love my pussy very much. How she's going to take care of her pussy? Can you tell me how she's going to take care of her pussy? There is a small girl and she's saying that I love my little pussy. There is a girl, she loves her pet animal. And what is that pet animal? Her pet animal is cat. And she's telling that I am going to take care of my pussy. So in first stanza, what she has said, I love little pussy. I love little pussy means how you love your mother, how you love your father, how you love your brother. Many times you don't love your brothers and sisters, right? What happens? You fight with each other. Correct or not? If you have elder brother or if you have elder sister, what you do? You fight with each other. But do we fight with pet animals? Yes, we fight. How we fight? We fight in fun. Correct or not? Now, if you have cat at home, if you bit her, immediately she will give you some reaction. Correct or not? She will try to she will try to hit you or punch you. Correct or not? So here it is told that I love little pussy. What girl is saying that how everyone loves their mother, father. In same way, I love my pussy. Her coat is so warm. Her coat is what? Her coat is so warm. Now the skin of cat has what? It has a layer of hair. Correct or not? It has long hair on its body. What has long hair on its body? Cats have long hair on their body. And what this girl is saying? She wears a warm coat. Her coat is so warm. Warm means what? Garam. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. And you know it very well. If you will hit animals, immediately they are going to react back. Right? तुम्ही जर एखादा खडा मारला, okay, if you hit a stone to the cat or to the dog, what happens? Immediately they bark at you. Correct or not? Cat also, she will immediately try to punch you. Correct or not? She will catch you in her paws. She has paws and she can catch you in her paws. Correct or not? So here what this girl is saying in the poem, she is saying that if I don't hurt her, if I don't touch her or if I don't beat her, she will do me no harm. It is like that or what? Human beings are really problematic sometimes for animals. We go and touch them, we go and beat them, we go and thrash them, correct or not? We go and shout at them. Yes or no? But animals, do they act in same way with us? Do they shout at us? Do they bark on us? If you will not give food to them for 1 day or 2 days, do they react back to you? No, they don't react, they don't show any reaction back to you. So in this way, what the girl is saying in the first stanza, I love little pussy, her coat is so warm. If I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. If I don't hurt her, or if I don't touch her, or if I don't trouble her, she is not going to harm me. जोपर्यंत मी तिला मारत नाही, जोपर्यंत मी तिला त्रास देत नाही, ती मला त्रास देणार नाही. Okay, that is what given in the first stanza. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. Now second stanza. So I will not pull her tail, nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. Now what girl is saying? That I will not, so I will not pull her tail. Now some students have dirty habit of pulling tail of dog, pulling tail of cat. अरे शेपटी धरायची सवय असते की नाही? What you do? You pull tail of dog, and if you pull tail of dog, dog will say you are what? Oh, very nice. Dog will say like that? No, immediately it will come and bite you. You know it very well. You never touch tail of dog, or you should never touch tail of any animal. I am not just saying of dog and cat. If you try to touch tail of cow, cow will say, oh, what? Oh my dear child, you are very sweet, you are very cute. Come on, you can pull my tail. They will say like that? No. So girl is saying that, so she, till I don't touch her, she is not going to hurt me. जोपर्यंत मी तिला त्रास देत नाही तोपर्यंत ती मला त्रास देणार नाही. So I will not pull her tail. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away. How to drive away? What we say? Go. You say or not? Or you take stick in your hand and then you beat that stick, or then you run behind the animals with those sticks. Correct or not? So what she is saying in the poem that, so I will not pull her tail, or I will not touch her tail nor drive her away. Drive means what? To tell that animal to go away, घराच्या बाहेर काढणे. Okay, or then to drive animals from the if there is a veranda in front of your house, then you don't allow them to sit over there. So that is called what? To drive away. Not drive away, but pussy and I will not touch, I will not pull her tail, I will not trouble her, but what I will do, I and pussy will very gently play. I will play with pussy. What I will do? I will play with my pussy. Who's saying? The small girl in the poem is saying that I will play with pussy various games. I will play various games, or whichever games which pussy will like, I will play those games with her. And normally, you know, animals like dog and cat, they like ball. Do you know ball? Yes. If you throw ball towards them, immediately they will catch it. They will catch it in front two legs. In same way, what girl in the poem is saying that I will play game with her, instead of pulling her tail, instead of troubling her, instead of driving her away. What I will do? I will play with her. Okay? That is what given in the second stanza. Now third stanza, last part of our poem. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. Now this girl is saying that after playing with her, what I will do, then after that, if it is cold outside, then I will sit near fire, I will warm myself. But pussy is having hair on, she wears coat, correct or not? She wears warm coat. Warm coat is of what? Her warm coat means her hair. Correct or not? It has long hair on its body. Correct? Who has? Cats have. So what the girl is saying that I will sit by fire, I will sit near fire, and I will give some food to pussy. And pussy will love me, and you know it very well. When you give some food to animals to eat, next time they will wave their tail and they will come to you. Yes or no? They will keep in mind that yesterday, for example, if I will give you example of yesterday, Vedant had given me food to eat, and now today again I am seeing Vedant in front of my house. So immediately dog will come running, cat will come running, and they will come and they will wave their tail in front of you. Correct or not? And when they wave their tail in front of you, what is that called? That means they are asking you something. They want something from you to eat. So, and pussy will love me. And naturally, once you will take care of animals, animals cannot talk. If you will take care of animals, naturally they will love you. Understood or not? You try it at your house. If you have never given food to animals to eat in your house, if you have cat, if you have dog, what you do? Today take one piece of chapati, or take one chapati and feed that chapati to a cat, or don't feed it. I am not telling you to catch cat and then feed her food. I am not saying you that. What I am saying, you just put one small piece of chapati in front of her. Next day at same time she will come there and she will see at you. You just take what we call, you just take experience of such situations, they really love you. And if you will keep on beating them, if you will every time shout at them, never those animals will come near you. It is my experience. I have cat at my house, I have dog at my house. I take lot of care of those. I wash them once in a week, correct or not? And then more, what we can do is to give milk to the cat, correct or not? To crush the chapati and put little milk in that and give that chapati to cat, it will eat, and really they will love you. In same way, what she is saying, the girl in the poem is saying that I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and Pussy will love me. What Pussy will do? Pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. As I will be very good with Pussy, she will love me. Okay, and last sentence is given here is, I love my little Pussy very much. You also loves your pet animals? Yes, everyone loves their pet animals. So, girl in the poem is saying that I love my little Pussy very much. In this way, we have completed poem. Again, in next period, I will explain you poem in more detail, and we will put one tune for the poem. Okay? Are you understanding or not? There is a tune for poem. I will put a tune and we will recite that poem in next period, and some question answers are there of the poem. That question answers also we will take in tomorrow's period. Okay? Thank you.